guys, nakikita niyo yung harbor ngayon. Tapos na kami doon. Ngayon, ipapakita ko naman sa inyo ang outlet. Kasi pagkatapos ninyo doon, guys, pwede kayong mamili. Kasi naandito kami sa outlet. Tapos, merong mamahalin dito at saka mga mumurahin. Mga designer like MK, etc. etc. Let's go, guys. Let's go! Sarap ng hangin, guys. Ha?
The Galicia, she is actually in the harbour. We'll come see her come into view very shortly on the left-hand side. We're making our way up to the ferry port behind us. So that's the Mont Saint-Michel. She's just left. She's off to Caen, French France. The islander behind us, she's just rocked up from the Channel Island of Guernsey. And the Galicia, you'll see come into view very shortly on your left here. And she's just come back from Santander, Spanish Spain. Now coming up on your right here, we've got the jetty with the two great cranes led down on it. This is part of the ammunitions department. It's over here. They actually load and unload the warships with their warheads. They do this in the middle of the harbour for one good reason, just in case they have any accidents, just in case somebody drops something, you never know. Now also on your right there, up on the moorings, you will see two of our Duke-class frigates. The front one, the Northumberland, the one behind, the Montrose.
Siyempre guys, pag nandito kayo sa harbor, hindi pwedeng hindi tayo sasakay ng boat. So, sakay tayo ng boat. Palabasin lang natin tong ibang tao. And then, gora na tayo. And ang ticket nga pala namin guys is 13 pounds per person.
Thank you very much. Put it in the bag of my money. Yes. Lovely, thank you very much. All the way down. The four of you? Yeah, all the way down. Thank you very much.
Two.
Two. Lovely. Just a quick look in the bag, please.
Oh.
That's fine, thank you.
Alright, thank you.
Okay.
So guys, sasakay na kami ng boat. Yes. For 13 pounds. 13 pounds dai, no? For only 13 pounds, right? Sir William Arnold. Ayan o. Sasakay na kami pa uwing Palawan. Makakauwi na kami ng Palawan. Yay! May dati nang sakay, ano Day, hindi na mo bumaba. Ano kaya yun, ano? Yung gusto pa siguro magstay?
Ay, baka, di ba yung ano mayroong mahal doon ng 24?
Ah! So tayo, hintayin na lang natin kung kailan tayo ibaba.
Oo.
Hello! So, syempre doon tayo sa taas. Tapos pag umulan, biglang baba. Diba? Ay, naku, Inday! Merong mag-swimming talaga rito. Come here, Day! We're going upstairs. Yes.
You want to go back? Yeah.
balikan kita guys mamaya. Balikan ko kayo.
All right, look.